So let me show you how you can create the beginning page or the introduction page of your YouTube video. Go to Canva, buy a 1-day subscription of Canva if you want. It's a 79 rupee subscription. Go to design, take the size of 19201148 something, the size of your the video. Go to design, write YouTube channel, and you will get all these selections. So I chose mine like this. Go to elements, and you can choose background something, and you can choose from hundreds of backgrounds. Okay, suppose I like this one, I can keep this. Click here, replace background, and this is how it looks. That's perfectly fine. If you want, go here, reduce the transparency, much better. Now I want to edit the image. This is my image. I want my image here. So go here, go to edit image, go to remove background. Now take this image here, copy it here. Now I again go to this one here, change to white, and there you have it. You can change the background as well. So I will go here. I will choose a shape. I will take my shape here. I will do this, I will do this, and I will do this and the back, and you can change the color to something you like this. So this is all you have to change the name, and you are good to go.